English New Year, Army Medical Corps Establishment Day, Global Family Day. World Peace Day is celebrated on which date? Answer 1st of January. Which date is celebrated World Braille Day? Answer 4th of January. World Where Orphans Day is observed every year on 6th of January. African National Congress Foundation Day is celebrated on which date? 8th January. Which date is known as Pravasi Bharatiya Divas NRI Day? 9th of January. World Lancaster Day, World Hindi Day is observed on 10th of January. Which date is known as Health Anniversary of Lal Bahadur Shastri Day? 11th of January. On 12th January, which day is celebrated in India? National Youth Day, birthday of Swami Vivekananda. 15th of January is observed as Army Day. Which date is known as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose birthday? 23rd January. The National Girl Child Day is observed in India 24th of January. International Customs Duty Day, India Tourism Day, National Voters Day is celebrated on which date? 25th of January. Republic Day of India and International Customs Day is celebrated on which date? 26th of January. Birth anniversary of Lal Lajpat Rai and Data Protection Day is observed 28th January. Which date is Mahatma Gandhi's Martyrdom Day, World Leprosy Eradication Day? Answer 30 January. In India, 1st January is observed as Indian Coast Guard Day. On which date World Wetlands Day is celebrated? Answer 2nd February. 4th February is observed as World Cancer Day and National Day of Sri Lanka. International Day Against Female Genital Mutilation is observed every year on Answer 6th of February. International Development Week is observed as 7th February. World Day of the Sick is observed on which date? 11th February. Darwin Day and Abraham Lincoln's birthday is celebrated on 12th February. On 13th February is observed as Sarojini Naidu's birth anniversary. Taj Mahotsav is celebrated on which date? 18th February. On 20 February is observed as World Day of Social Justice. Which date is known as International Mother Language Day? Right answer 21st February. When the World Scout Day is celebrated? 22nd February. Which date is known as World Peace and Understanding Day? 23rd February. On 24th February is observed as World Sustainable Energy Day. When the National Science Day is celebrated? 28th February. When the Zero Discrimination Day, World Civil Defense Day is observed? 1st March. Which day is the World Wildlife Day, World Hearing Day? 3rd March. On 4th March, which day is celebrated in India? National Safety Day. Which date is known as International Women's Day? 8th of March. CISF Rising Day is celebrated on which date? 10th March. No Smoking Day is observed as 13 March. When is PI Day, International Day of Action for Rivers, observed on? 14th of March. On 15th March is observed worldwide World Consumer Rights Day. When National Vaccination Day is celebrated? 16th of February. 18th March is observed in India. Answer: Ordnance Factories Day. Which date is known as International Day of Happiness, World Sparrow Day? 20 March. On 21st March is known as which day? World Forest Day, World Down Syndrome Day, World Poetry Day. World Water Day is celebrated on which date? 22nd March. When is celebrated World Meteorological Day? 23rd March. Which date is observed World Tuberculosis Day? 24th March. On which date is observed World Theatre Day? 27th of March. Utkal Divas, Prevention of Blindness Week is celebrated on which date? 1st April. On 2nd April is observed as World Autism Awareness Day. Which date is known as the International Day for Mine Awareness Day? 4th April. National Maritime Day is observed on which date? Answer: 5 April. On 7th April is observed as World Health Day. 10th April, which day is celebrated worldwide? World Homeopathy Day. Which date is observed National Safe Motherhood Day, National Pet Day? 11th April. Jallianwala Bagh Massacre Day is observed on which date? Answer: 13th April. Which date is known as World Hemophilia Day? Answer: 17th April. World Heritage Day is observed as 18 April. Which day is the National Civil Service Day, Secretaries Day? 21st April. World Earth Day is celebrated on which date? 22nd April. Which date is known as World Book and Copyright Day? 24th April. On 25 April is observed as World Malaria Day. World Intellectual Property Day is observed on 26th April. When the World Day for Safety and Health at Work. World Veterinary Day 28th April. International Labour Day is celebrated on which date? 1st May. When the Press Freedom Day is observed? 3rd May. Which date is known as Coal Miners Day? Answer 4th May. Mother's Day is celebrated on which date? Answer May 2nd Sunday. When the World Red Cross Day is celebrated? Answer 8th May. Victory Day is observed as 9th May. National Technology Day is observed as 11th May. International Nurses Day is celebrated on which date? 12th May. Which day is the World Migratory Day? 14th May. When International Day of the Family is celebrated? 15th of April. Which day is the World Telecommunication Day? 17th of May. Anti-Terrorism Day is observed on 21st May. Which day is the Commonwealth Day? 24th of May. Anti-Tobacco Day is celebrated on which date? 31st May. Global Parents Day is observed on 1st June. On 4th June is observed as International Day of the Innocent Children Victims of Aggression. World Environment Day is celebrated on which date? 5th June. Which day is the International Level Crossing Awareness Day? 17th June. Which date is known as World Ocean Day? 8th June. When World Day Against Child Labor is celebrated? 12th June. World Blood Donor Day is celebrated on 14th May. On 17th May is observed as World Day to combat desertification and drought. Which date is known as World Refuse Day? 20 June. When Father's Day and World Music Day is celebrated on 21st June. Which date is known as Father's Day? June 3rd Sunday. United Nations Public Service Day, International Window Day is observed as 23rd June. World Diabetes Day is celebrated on 27th June. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our Indian GK Point.